ki pamin tu na class bol du he average lecture 2 he oh average lecture 1 sin sai tavin lecture 2 he tu na pat du hin lecture 2 a he problem lecture 1 to ki saya problem khat ani veutin tutel laban topic chi question so value the average of 25 consecutive numbers is 71. So find the largest and the smallest number, the sum of the first and the last number, the average of first, second and last second number, the 18th number and 23rd number. Save it. The average of 25 consecutive numbers is 71. Consecutive natural number ho average so 71 है so 71 से number natural number ho so no 25 consecutive natural number average 71 ko tala question number 1 find the largest and smallest number so nga alin pen to ne pen si hold intia so nga hi quantity if I quantity 25 see odd so na odd hi ya so odd hi te nga le the middle number is average you see average so don't see a lie pen so the middle number so 71 is the middle number so nga hi average of 71 de so nga pana hi maximum hol audio minimum hol audio yo so nga hi khatla do wale yaram ta 24 so 2 are divide wale 12 so alaya pana hi 12 chi wale maximum audio minus 12 ball chi wale alhom audio so 71 plus 12 yaram 83 is the maximum number. It's a number given la so number hong ki pe na 25 consecutive number la lin pen so 83 subtract bola le ya tam ta lesson 11 9 5 59 this is the smallest number so smallest number maximum number and the smallest number chetai question number 1 sai tave find the largest and the smallest number d as is na largest so 83 and smallest is 59 about the sum of the first second and last second the sum of the first and last number sum this sum of first and last number okay pat na to achai na chu 59 to 83 ma ba hi so any sum hol 29 chong first and last so maximum to minimum so first and last yang ya so nga he number 2 sum you hol oding le formula chi pita average into number tius la so nga average here ham 71 is the average and number hit chu number so nga number yar mam ta le hen at the sum of first and last listen apat na to china chu number ni sila na the smallest and the biggest two numbers here so 2 and 2 ball vale 2 1 is 2 2 7 is 14 this is the sum of the first and last number so I have standing plus ball this num potata alien pen so 83 now pen so 59 plus ball vale 12 13 14 142 long standing sums of same numbers so question number 3 the average of first second and last second first second to last second then the average at them so average of first second to last second so first second and last second so average mama so average of all mama so it is equal to 71 mama so say tai the 18th number and the 23rd number 18 number the whole audio hum 18 number the 18th number 18 na the number cp hum tai le formula chu minimum number plus 18 minus 1 into difference na so I minimum hum 59 plus 17 into difference of one consecutive natural number just one difference of one hai na equal to 59 to 17 plus bola le 16 76 he 18 number of this 76 hai bana 23rd number and 23rd number number should be hum tell minimum number 59 23 minus 1 into difference of 1 59 plus 22 181 na plus bole 81 here 20 third number am ni chu so chi problem chu chi tin a number hong keep it low so average bong keep 25 consecutive natural number he average so chi lesson maximum number pidam minimum number pidam na average of first second last second 18 number t hol odam number formula ho na formula si minimum plus 18 minus 1 into difference wise adin so kaban chu tele. Next question value in 35 consecutive natural numbers the average of first second and last second is 65. So find the average of three middle numbers, the average of all the numbers, and the smallest and the biggest number na and the 20th number. So I hope it dey 35 consecutive natural number ya so nga chu the average of first second last second keep so the average of first second and last second so nga number 1 a average of first second to last second keep so last second so yat keep 65 so nga had dekha chu average of first second last second kito average of first and last kito average of three middle numbers so upon average head use la na ya chu so first second to last second average chu this is the average of all the number 25 35 consecutive number 35 consecutive number average so see so average so 65 so question number 2 the question number 1 the average of three middle numbers so the average of three middle numbers question number 1 to average of three middle numbers equal to piditam tele 65 ma milo dona the average of all the numbers average of all the numbers average of all the numbers angsu ipdiam tile chima milo ding 65 ma mai the lecture when I say tausla average of first to last average first second to last second average of three middle numbers upon va ke bangsu ke average of all upon ke bangsu ke tu sana ya chu so 65 yang so number 3 here the smallest and the biggest number chi ti hold hom the smallest and the biggest number holding are so 65 this is the average ya so chi diu na ke diu na so quantity and yadam n is equal to so a question that's available in 35 consecutive natural number relation n to 35 tonight 35 consecutive number n to 35 n is odd here le so average suila do vale amta 34 so 2 divide ball vale 17 langa 17 chi diu langa 17 inok chi diu na so the plus ball le 2 82 so minus symbol ile 17 to 65 subtract ball ayata 15 8 ile 5 4 48 48 is the minimum number and 82 is the maximum number chilo dong na the 20th number as pm dam tile formula to minimum plus 20 ile 20 minus 1 ball due into difference of consecutive natural number it's on ko tell difference of one ing is minimum so ram so he minimum so ale 48 so 48 plus 20 minus 1 so 19 into 1 equal to 19 into 1 equal to 48 plus 19 17 1 and 4 5 67 67 is the number 25th number 20th number so 67 see tai when quantity is even this number hong ki ho chu a quantity pa chu even hitting aliti bol de chima sangai bol so when the quantity is odd as la for example 3 4 5 6 7 8 duty 1 2 3 4 5 6 so he n equal to quantity equal to 6 is so even is so chi hoi teng ale average ti hol de ham maximum ti hol de ham minimum ti hol de ti hol na so la he thum la he number thum na langa jong he number thum last 3 first 3 average ti hol de tam a middle number of low is so na vet ding ha chu even quantity odd hitting le chu middle number alai pa chu val te te ya to hi even hi pa ra chu alai pa hi mtlo alai pa hi average hi de heti wa na ama la hi iti hol odam ta le sunga 5 to 6 hi two middle numbers ama ten ki ka apa chu sa 5 zo wa chu 5 to 6 ki ka chu pin number mam tele 5.5 this is the average see average hai na sunga hi bana chu maximum to minimum iti hol odam ta le n equal to 6 le sunga hi 2 la do te 2 la do wala ya da 4 chu na 2 bola la do ham lai ten ni 5 to 6 la do chu alai kiti chu average pa chu chi hina chu yang la chun alai sunga given na chu 5 to 6 alai ten ni sunga ko na hi balam 4 to 2 divide le ta 2 to 2 4 2 2 is 4 sunga plus 2 langa minus 2 chi diu na plus 6 plus 2 yam 8 chi maximum number minus 2 5 minus 2 chu 3 chi minimum number chi na as a maximum number to minimum number iti holo dam ti pa chu when the quantity is even hi te ngali ti bol de hom na alai te ni 5 to 6 hi ila ba sat diu chiten ni ila do ting 5 to 6 ila do ting lesson gubla ni ila do sla na ya so ya mam gubla ni ila do li um li chu ni 2 divide by 2 2 langa 2 he ai lo yang le direct nga tang bol the chu sunga hi average of 5.5 ite ti la average so ko tele sunga hi n equal to 6 ya khala do to ma la do wale amta so sunga 5 to 2 divide ale 2.5 langa hi 2.5 si diu langa hi 2.5 si wale minus 2.5 langa hi 2.5 na 2.5 plus 2.5 chi wale amta 5 6 7 8 lo na plus symbol ale 5.5 apana 5.5 to 2.5 plus bola le 8 ji maximum then subtract bola le 3 ji minimum ta song hol thei chong no problem iladan and pu is 5 to 6 ilado ai chun ni la do ngai ya na 5 to 6 middle number 10 is ilado ai le 5 to 6 la do le ya so ni ilado ji 2 subtract bola 4 2 divided by 2 langa 2 ayo nga chu alai pa hi average in la do vai le direct ga ta la do vai le sun so do sunga 6 para so khat la do diu average po do ta so a so 5 ba le 5 to 2 divide by 2.5 so plus and minus bola le maximum minimum so chike sa ya dang si ki bang ta so kadang ti chu sunga the average of 3 middle numbers kiti ho I love the average of first second last second kiti so na bona ki bang so abodan ki bang so ke even to order so for example sungai tha ji ki ute 3 4 5 6 7 8 it so na sungai average ya ti tawam ta le 5.5 this is when n is even and he even he ting I le ni so nium li la hi 5 to 6 understand ki ka apa the average hai na still there sungai hi the average of first and last tang sungai average of first number to and last with it I let 3 plus 8 divided by 2 ibara 2 I divide ham quantity ni ya 1 2 ya so na 2 I divide away 12 divided 11 sorry 11 divided by 2 equal to 5.5 that's it first the average of first second first number to last number so average so average itself is 5.5 or the average of first second to last second then the average ang so hold out the first second to last second so bpm first second to 4 ya last second to 7 ya then the average hold I left 4 plus 7 divided by 2 11 by 2 equal to 5.5 average of all mamas that's mama is that's sunga hi 12 number ti hold them the 10 number ti hold them I love sunga hi ke 6 consecutive 6 numbers from here sunga hi the third number hold out third number equal to formula so thakale cho minimum plus fifth third number ti as sunga hi 3 minus 1 into difference equal to minimum zeram minimum so minimum to 3 plus 3 minus 1 so into 1 2 na equal to 3 plus 2 2 into 1 is 2 5 so third number is epidem tell 5 so first number second number third number is 5 na all of them bona ki bang so ke chong agi hit na pa so average ti hall of them ti pa box ki even he te ngai le when n is equal to even he te ngai le sun middle number law ya middle number ni ki modi so middle number 10 ni middle pa na so average di ho question khat view tin na ban che taw tele ban chu tele the average of 20 consecutive natural number is 58.5 find the largest and the smallest number the sum of the first second and last second number the average of two middle numbers and the 12th number okay so ngai hi what I le natural number yat mam 20 so quantity so number yat mam ta 20 amo average yat tiam 58.5 this is average the average of 20 consecutive natural number ai tai hotel sunga hi largest and smallest number ho to so n equal to 20 see even long na even hi te ngai le middle number niam dia middle number 10 ki ka number pa chu average head chong see middle number 10 ki ka average see hotel sunga hi average lado vale amta 19 so 58.5 so plus or minus 19 19 here to divide so na to divide vale to 9 is 18 to 9.5 so sunga here 19 here la here 9.5 so there so here 9.5 9.5 plus ball vale at move plus ball vale 0 9 is 18 1 in hand 68 here piham plus ball vale see maximum number so the maximum number minus ball vale at move minus ball vale 9 49 see piham tale minimum number plus ball vale maximum module minus ball vale max minimum number so 58.5 average so given is this is the question on kipita so 58.5 average in hotel maximum number ti hol odam tale sunga hi n equal to 20 ya khala do vale average so la do vale amta 19 to divide 9.5 plus ball vale maximum number minus ball vale minimum number na so Abana question number 2 one find the sum of first second and last second number sum of first second and last second. Number 2 are sum of first second to last second and last second stani sum city whole odam tale sum the average into number dislana average sunga yadham 58.5 numbers first second to last second number ni sula then into bova yat mubam 2 5 is 10 6 2 8 16 17 11 117 is the sum of first second and last second number na question number 2 is the average of two middle numbers the average ma malode average of two middle numbers so average mama so average here 58.5 so mama is the average of three middle numbers when n is odd and average of two middle numbers when n is even na so average itself so number 2 na so question 2 na so the average of two middle numbers of one of the 12th number question 4 na C3 yeah 12 4 na so the 12th number so iti whole of the home tile formula so minimum plus 12t as a 12 minus 1 into difference of numbers so minimum zer ham 49 long na neo pen so 11 to difference 1 is on consecutive natural number the difference 1 consecutive odd natural number there's two difference here na consecutive even natural number difference 2 here so this is the case of consecutive natural number it's on difference 1 I allow it so 49 plus 11 at tam 0 60 60 is the number that will be placed at the 12 term of the so 60 number here so yeah so odd number to even number I can hit na pa so ja say tavin even quantity odd hi te ngai le even hi te ngai le sunga hi middle number chu ni mo du ya two middle number si mo du ya middle number 10 ki ka pa so average na example ka vela lai utte you can see nothing in explanation to the example ka utte so even number 2 2 sorry 2 3 4 5 6 7 and sunga hi any at ham any 6 na 6 quantities 1 2 3 4 5 6 mai so sunga hi ale when n is odd he lives in the middle number of the why when n is even and he even he para he middle number ni mo de chula langa hi bata langa hi thum langa hi thum number thum langa number thum middle number low is so like in the middle number thing there will be two middle numbers in case of when n is even then that's 10 like part the middle number 10 in middle 4 to 5 ki ka chu 4.5 g average is na itai la diu string le maximum to minimum iti hol odam tai le 6 ya minus 1 bol va le 5 5 to 2 le 2.5 so so apna hi 2.5 plus g diu la apna hi 2.5 minus g diu so plus bol va le tam 0 4 5 6 7 7.0 this is 7 that's why 7 is the largest number minus symbol value 2 long na 4.5 minus 2.5 so 2 this is the minimum number that's the whole lot so dita sunga he into difference here difference 1 here difference 1 he para chu ta sunga difference ho 1 difference 1 bona 1 so sia so consecutive natural number sunga he into difference parts 1 here so kiji do thu ya banga even number odd number in ball tem was one difference 2 the na 2 and 2 ball the song so I case I to I the difference 1 here so 1 and 2 ball ya example 2 4 6 8 kito ai na hung ti nga la so I difference 2 2 ta so 2 so difference 2 ngi ti na so ngai into 2 I multiply ball kito na so into 2 ta chi this so 1 and ball this aban chutle aban I vet you he bani bol masang win kasi banga cho average concept building bol dia tu na concept pa hi iti build bol dia hom ta le natural number ai bol dia he dia lecture 1 ai sei tau cho natural number pa ai bol chu natural number ya na natural number chu average iti holo dam average consecutive natural number of thing average up to n times so average the whole of the average is equal to n plus 1 by 2 it is na abana so natural number yang so one I keep on the ho chi this is case ile 1 2 3 ta chi up to n so case of formula ya ai wanga so sunga hi one I keep on the ho this when n equal to or hi thing ile for example 3 4 5 6 7 so he tabang one I keep on low hitting chi ki jang thei low ya chu so nga average the whole of the ham when n equals to the middle number is the average the so na maximum number the whole minimum number the whole and the whole the ball tas n equal to even hitting ile 3 4 5 6 7 8 and he even hitting ile average the whole the average of two middle number standing middle number zoom 5.5 average he tiu na so in bolu cho ale sunga ko na bana hi next I bol do hi pitabang ham tele chu next I see masang win bana chu chi natural number ta bana chu odd natural number in value odd natural number I odd natural number is due even natural number ang sunga zong hi sunga hi concept bili bol due bana chu sum of the square of natural number cubes of natural number so bon I see do so yes number system AP sequence GP HP ball on pen so twi hi sungai so in za de so he hit him lo wale average so ha de na ya so abasa pen concept hit do concept hit thing wale application part so easy so ya so average ball high sa ji hom ideal is a concept by hit lo ji wa so average high sa ji so ya so concept he clear he put violation concept him clear thing I son average very easy topic on this song ya so ne thina de wa so application nang na boy lo de wa so to hai concept hi hoi ta believable de wis and ya so ban bana chi deu chi sai tao chang sai tao bana chong hing lai de chong so ma sanga hi problem tan ne cha ho na bana bol de hi important concept is de yong important concept is de tu kai bol na wa chu plus 2 plus 3 see number 2 so 1 2 3 ome so na so nga hi average ya tam chi so nga line average tu te average ya de tam average is at the tam de lesson so nga quantity sim de so na tam bol te so 1 ke pan ya 2 3 lesson 1 plus 1 by 2 ang ti so la third term 3 times as a 3 plus 1 by 2 equal I levan le when n is equal to o spouse at it so I have 1 2 3 n is so o is so yeah so the middle number is the average too long so average to 2 tai abana hi 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus next number ho abana hi next number ho at evolving while epitium the vet do so 3 to kalawa average 2 ya to hi next number 8 tau te 4 hi 8 ball tau te 4 num sila hi 4 hi 8 in ball wale average ki khial ta ta tuma hi lai wa average 2 ya to hi 1 2 3 4 number lium par I average so when the quantity is even number average so ya ta so ngai 2 to 3 ki ka number pass lo de na 2.5 is the new average so I average kalam masanga 4 hi HI zau masanga chu average 2 ya 4 hi hong zau para average 2.5 ta so average kals na is that a kalam da le 0.5 a kals so and the average increase by 0.5 khat de ki 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 khat add ki tau te next number na lin lang ho 5 8 tau te 5 8 phat wa hi average ta 1 2 3 4 5 so hi the middle number is average the middle number long na 3 is the average so I 3 on that average hi 5 hi group ba hong zau para hi average hi kal kita so masanga 2.5 ya to 5 hong zau para average 3 ya le ya da kalam 0.5 increase kita so average na chi very important concept chong chi het him violation application na boy lo du so ya so hi bol so I vật ai le hin number ho hi ong kiat si le hin average kale cho ya so I average hi bola kalam why is the average increase na every time when the last numbers are added it tells so hi number 8 ki bol ho hi number 8 ki bol ho hi 4 5 8 balls na 4 to 5 8 balls so number 8 ki bol ho hi average anom sa nga hi lin nga nei chong average anom sa nga so nam lin zo hi so alin zo average anom sa so 2 here 2 sa nga 4 lin zo so la so 2 sa nga hi 4 lin 4 hi so chi group ang ke tiang average increase hi so chiba nga so average 2.5 here sa nga lin zo number khat 5 here the ball violation average increase ki de cho so ngai pi he do ngai ham tai le number ho so when the last numbers are added then the average increase na last number de so average sang a lin ho hi group ba hi ong sau tiang vai le average kale average increase na cut ball get average 5 the cut average 3 tai tun cut get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 next number will be ta next number will be 6 8 get out 6 8 get value average at tam average si to hi langa thum male average to yadta 10 ki ka hello down na 3 to 4 ki ka chu yadam 3.5 loading dan masanga average 6 get masanga average 3 ya 6 won't get para average 3.5 that means the average increased by 0.5 each one so ngai se banga chu average anom sa ho sa number alin ho hi edible ting wale average kale chi pa chi het ngai cho tun chi vice versa chu to ai edible tun la do taute to ai 1 2 3 4 5 6 hom ho average to 3.5 it tun 6 lo do 6 hi la do wale 1 2 3 4 5 lo dong alam ho average adata 3 lo na 6 azaw la ya chu average 3.5 ya to hi 6 ila do phat ba chu 6 azaw lo phat as average 3 so 1 2 3 4 5 for average 3 ya tun 5 la do kit taute 5 ila do kit wale 1 2 3 4 lo dong amo average at 2.5 5 zaw la ya average 3 ya 5 kila do phat chu average 2.5 average decreases na average decrease kid so so ngai 0.5 a decrease kid bata so nga panang hila 4 la do kit wale average decrease by 0.5 na hi chi chong chi lang adi so kati dan su edible wa average increase ale ila do kit tiang wale average decrease di so ai wa so ngai ibola average increase sum tele so nga average anom so last number bigger number ai lawale bigger number ho hi edible thing wale average increase so ya chu number lin ho chu average sanga lin ho chu average sunga anom sa ho sanga lin ho edible tin ai chu sunga average anom sa 2 ya for edibles na 4 to 2 sanga lin ho chu la 2.5 average 2.58 tai to ai number khat edible ke dio 5 to 2.5 sanga lin chu la ya chu average anom sa ho sanga lin ho hi edible thing wale average increase so average anom sa ho sanga neu ho lin ho ilado thing ale average decrease na or average decrease when last numbers or bigger numbers are excluded bigger number or last number ho chu group akona ilado thing wale average decrease so ji very important concept ji head theme lo wale ha di so ya chu sunga hi head du khat chu so hi le consecutive natural number is na consecutive natural number chu when last numbers are added then the average each time the average increase by 0.5 each time the average increase by 0.5 is na each time the average increase by 0.5 number khat add ibola le average 0.5 increase so number ni add ibola le average at increase tam chis na bana chum sungai se bangwa chu number khat when last number ho hi add able thing wale average increase so average increase by either increase some 0.5 increase so for consecutive natural number as say bol na consecutive natural number chu last number ho edible thing wale average increase by 5 or last number ho hi excludable thing wale average decrease ya decrease them 0.5 mama decrease this so increase by 0.5 and decrease by 0.5 na kutela sunga hi number khat edible wa number khat hi edible wale average increase by 0.5 ya le number ni edible wale average ya akal ditam chiso number khat edible wa 0.5 increase ale number ni edible wale is that increase ditam 0.5 into 2 equal to 10 point equal to 1 increase na 1 increase this number thum edible wale if three numbers are added, three numbers which are greater than the average, and then the average will be increased by 0.5 into 3 equal to 1.5 loading. ichi banga chu when two number ho hi la do te nga le number khada 0.5 decrease this na ila do when last numbers are excluded, then the average decrease by 0.5 it la. Yeah, so when two numbers are excluded, then the average will be decreased by 0.5 into 2 equal to 1.0 equal to 1. 1 are decreased. So 1 are decreased. So number nga he excludable while the last 5 numbers are excluded, then the average decreased by 0.5 le 5 as at the time 2.5. The average will be decreased by 2.5. See here guys, lang I say important concept. Example, the average of 5 consecutive natural numbers, let's say k. See average now. The average of 5 consecutive natural number. See consecutive guys, 5 consecutive natural number. Consecutive natural number nga ho chu average to k tai. Case 1. When last two numbers are included or are added, then it is term average 5 consecutive or average of two numbers. When last two numbers are included hitting average condition, average will be increased na increase them severe. Last two numbers are included, then average will be increased. It will increase by how much tale consecutive natural number achu last number ho addable thing 0.5 increase at you ya twice last two numbers is two number to 2 are involved while two number addable while average I call the term to 5 is 10 1.0, that means 1 I increased that's all. Yeah, so new average at the term, new average will be equal to all average k here to increase by 1 teleson, the new average will be k plus 1. See new average there. Last three numbers are included hitting a new average at the time. Average increase by increase in average although average and increase them tile number khada so consecutive natural number ya so number khat add the ball 0.5 increase this so the hotel number 2 include the ball ji was at call the term 3 5 is 15 1.5 increase the task na, therefore new average at the term itiale masanga all average so k here to a 1.5 increase ale k plus 1.5 will be new average na. Ichi banga chu when two numbers are excluded, when last two numbers chu average sang alin lang ho number alin lang ho tonight chu last two numbers are excluded. Last two numbers are excluded hitting ile, then new average be done na. So I 5 consecutive or average okay so I then when last two numbers are excluded, last numbers so exclude hitting all average decreases na is a decrease tam the point number kat exclude ball the 0.5 are decreased so to hi number ni para chu decrease in average hold out decrease in average are decrease tam le number khat ila do wala 0.5 are decrease ale number ni a decrease tam 25 is 10 1.0 equal to 1 are decreased so therefore new average will be k masang all average k pa to decrease that song is that decrease tam tale 1 are decreased yes k minus 1. This is the new average. It's all 5 numbers, last 5 numbers are excluded. Last 5 number are excluded hitting then average decreased so na last number in the exclude hitting the average decreased so then in decrease in the average at the time number kada 0.5 decrease here le number nga decrease the time 5 is 25 2.5 decrease the so therefore new average at the time new average will be all average so k here to here new average will be decreased by 2.5 the k minus 2.5 that's all. This is the new average so decrease so na ban chuk te chivel te lo so nga hi The average of 20 consecutive natural numbers is m. The average of 20 consecutive natural numbers is on. So nga line maths hi a language het nga language hi lo wa le thelo so language it was maths on. 20 consecutive natural numbers also average m in find new average when the next is the last 6 numbers be included, the next 5 or last 5 numbers be excluded na. So I p ki pm tile 20 consecutive natural number also 20 consecutive natural number or average so m ahead so this is average. Hotel so I case number 1 also the next 6 numbers be included. Next 6 number also include hitting the average increase this la na. So consecutive natural number also average next number also include the average increase by 0.5 so 0.5 increase so yeah so I increase in average and increase some so hold on do so number kat add a bola le average 0.5 increase le number to number this la yeah 6 number times 65 is 30 3.0 or equal to 3 increase this one therefore new average is equal to masanga m here to average 3 increase lesson m plus 3 to loading. This is the new average. Question number 2 also the next last numbers be excluded at the lesson average decrease it also next number also exclude hitting average decrease na number ka so exclude the 0.5 decrease ya to number ngai lesson ya tam 2.5 decrease that's average so therefore new average ya the tam tele masanga average so m here to 2.5 decrease ile minus 2.5 m minus 2.5 to new average so chi ban chu tele ball banu tele 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 so is the average at the time so is the average at the so I quantity 1 2 3 7 n equal to 7 8 so quantity sigi here number is sigi here yeah so quantity would he ting ale middle numbers average at the la na quite some middle numbers langa thum mali middle numbers still loading so 4 is the average tun langa first number of exclude ball to first number of exclude the ball wala one exclude taute 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 average at the ta to n hi masanga sigi ni ya khat po to ile to go chula n equal to 6 ta la n equal to 6 means even he thing ile the average of two middle number 4 to 5 10 average he hold ya tam average to middle number 10 ki ka am so 10 ki ka numbers 4.5 long na 4.5 kabana J2 he exclude ki taute exclude ball wale 3 plus 4 plus 5 6 plus 7 so nga average at the time langani le alai pa so average tiusla 5 loading 3 exclude ki taute 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 exclude ball wale that's why 5.6 load on average 5 plus 6 plus 7 4 exclude ball kit vale average so tumo male alai pass average so na consecutive here lesson di chong si consecutive hi ngai so live at vale hen so one exclude ball pa one zaw lai so 4 here one here pot group up na pot do pa so one exclude hi pa so ngai tang average here le so 4.5 is that like here lam there lesson 0.5 like here so average increases no average increase that's the next number last number also include hitting the average increase ya to hi first number ho exclude the ball tang le average increase so like here na pa so 2 exclude the ball ke vale 3 4 5 6 7 average of 5 2 zaw la ya 4.5 ya to hi 2 hong zaw lo para average increase kita ya increase some 4.5 to 5 to 0.5 I increase get is average so born I increase with the 0.5 number kat pot si ale number kat exclude the ball si ale average increase by 0.5 so to last next number how to include the ball thing le average increase exclude the ball thing le average decrease to hi first number ho hi exclude ibolte ngale average increase na exclude bote average increase to increase pe cho 5 6 7 hoi average 6 ya to 4 hong zao saute 4 hong zao para so average 5.6 average decrease lo 4 hong zao para so average decrease kita na masanga 6 to hi ya decrease tam 0.5 va decrease na 4 hong zao 3 zao sa kilo tele 4 5 6 7 ho group la 3 hong zao kita le average 5 iso azao masanga 5.6 to ma hong zao para so average 0.5 va decrease kit is na hong zao kit 2 zao kit ale average decrease by 0.5 ta he decrease kit iso ya so ngai se no mo zu piam ta le first number ho hi include hi tiang ale average increase in tin exclude first number ho hi exclude ibol tiang ale average increase in tin include hi tiang ale average decrease iso enzo ibol dot ki bang dau chum ga se de nga so average hi am spena so first case ha average of 4 ya one exclude ibol so average increase na average sa nga neo ho hi exclude ibol tiang wale ta so nga for exclude ki bol de 1 ya 1 hi 4 sa nga neo so la exclude ibol tiang ale average increase is average mana 4.5 la ya me 4 sa 2 exclude ibol du ta 2 exclude ibol du 4 average of 4.5 so average 4.5 ya sa ngai neo so exclude ibol tiang ale average increase ki is same case so ngai average 4.5 3 hi exclude ibol ki du ta so 3 4.5 average ne sa nga neo ho exclude ibol ki ale average increase say no mo so dang lo so average sa nga neo ho hi exclude ibol tiang wale average increase in tin exclude ibol tiang wale average increase in tin include ibol tiang wale average decrease si bu so say no mo so ya si dan a pattern pai het nai so hi het thim wale chun the concept ho kong clear al chun so hai boina nei lo tu ta so example view te la question example kha view to the average of 20 consecutive natural number is k. Find the new average when the first 4 numbers be excluded. Abano question number 2 when the first 5 numbers be included. So see case view na so here the average of 20 consecutive 20 consecutive natural number or average so k here is question number 1 also when the first 4 numbers be excluded first 4 number also exclude hitting ile average average sang an ho to first lang ho so first 4 numbers was exclude hitting ile average increase the lo average increase ya increase them average increase by how much number had exclude ibola le 0.5 by increase here ile number 4 numbers so yet increase it 4 5 is 20 2.0 increase this therefore new average will be k plus increase it as a plus about also k plus 2 here to hi k plus 2 the na chibanga so case 2 vikidutile when the first 5 numbers be included that average sang ne ho first lang also include hitting al average decrease the average ala decrease the term beote number khat include bol average decrease by 0.5 ale number nga achu ya decrease the term 5 25 2.5 decrease tasula therefore new average decrease the achu all average k ale k minus 2.5 loading this is the new average na sui bo re tu na ipp bo gam so like pan lo ho 1 to 1 abu like pan lo ho 4 5 6 7 n equal to la so ai quantity 5 is na odd hi te ngai le when n is odd so ho hi average ti ho lo dam ta le la the middle number the middle number is average so middle number hi piam 5 is the middle number so this is the average it is la abana maximum number hold on minimum number hold on maximum hold on minimum number hold on bol na third number IPM dam ki tong ball ba next case as a ball chu n equal to even heating ale n equal to even heating ale 3 4 5 6 so n equal to 6 long 6 events la na heating ale average ti holo dam ta le lai two middle numbers then the average so it is so nga two middle number then 5 to 6 as then the average so ma then the ka numbers of 5.5 long see average head is la na chang e bol tao le maximum number t holo dam minimum number t holo dam first second last second average at ham sum at ham three middle numbers or two middle numbers or average at ham ti bol tao so abana hung wa abana bol usi piam tai le number ho average sanga number lead ho when last numbers are included last numbers ho include heating ile then so 1 plus 2 plus 3 number are average so average 2 here so nga he 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus last number thing ale next consecutive ba chi ya next number to 4 include heating ale average 2.5 the average increase by 0.5 increase it is na first number so he so last number ho he include heating ale average increase in 10 exclude heating ale average decrease so bana first number so this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 to the see average average is average 3 so first number ho he excludable thing ile the average so kal na so I quantity 1 2 3 4 average at 3.4 loaded 3.5 loading average kal so when first numbers are excluded average increase so average increase and when first numbers or he include heating ale average decreases see here na bolu so banting le lecture 3 na problem thamkat chiutin thamkat bolutin banting le next time ba chi deu tai tu ne adingen lecture chi chan chai tau tele